Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Shopify store unavailable issue. To resolve this issue quickly and easily, firstly log into your Shopify account, then click on the settings tab located in the bottom left corner of your dashboard here. Now click on the plan tab here. Then click on the choose plan button here and choose the plan which suits your requirement. Basic plan is suitable for solo entrepreneurs, which has 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling in 3 markets and POS Lite. If you have small team, you can choose Shopify plan, which has 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling in 3 markets, 5 additional staff accounts to handle the Shopify admin and POS Lite. For the small business scale, you can choose advanced plan. It has custom reports and analytics, 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling in 3 markets, plus you can add market $59 USD per month for each market. Additionally, you have 15 staff accounts, 10 times checkout capacity and POS Lite. If you have complex business with larger amount of products, you can choose Plus plan. It has custom report and analytics, 200 inventory locations, priority 24/7 chat support or phone support, localized global selling in 50 markets, unlimited staff accounts, customizable checkout with 40 times capacity, B2B sales, and 200 POS Pro locations of Shopify payments. So you can choose a plan according to your need, and once you have chosen the plan, you need to go to the online store section here in the left bar and then click on the preferences tab here. Now scroll down to the password protection section here. And if the restrict access to visitor with the password option is enabled like here, you need to uncheck it. As you can see, I am not able to uncheck this because I haven't purchased plan yet. Once you select a plan and uncheck the password protection, your store will be publicly available and anyone can access it. That's all for the Shopify store unavailable issue. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others who might find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more content like this. See you in the next video.